This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Team Platinum of Naples less than bedroom greater than Cynthia 12 and Brent Jensen. If you are interested in a Florida Oasis, here's your opportunity. Located in a beautiful and colorful Spanish architecture community of Lely Resort, this Santa Ana floor plan townhouse offers the perfect blend of affordability, privacy and convenience you're looking for. Highlights include a like-new unit, including a new tile roof and HVAC that was installed in 2024, turnkey furnished, 1,715 square feet of total living area, 3-bed, 2-half bath, 2-car garage, spacious living, dining and kitchen ground floor areas, non-gated, no players club mandate. Located in a quad, the unit features a private pool and a private outdoor living and barbecue area. Only a short walk takes you to Ola's private village. Here, you discover a resort-style and children's pool, numerous tiki hut shelters, a café, pub, ice cream shop, bistro, library, movie theater. It also has a state-of-the-art fitness venue with an array of sport facilities, including basketball, bocce, pickleball, beach volleyball, and tennis courts. Only 15 minutes to the most beautiful white sugar sand beaches in Naples or Marco Island, Florida, you will discover some of the best fine dining, shopping and sports venues Florida has to offer. Adjacent to there are multiple restaurants, pharmacies, banks including Lowe's and Walmart nearby. Residents also have access to 2 public championship golf courses, Flamingo and Mustang, along with 1 private course, Classics. There are also scenic walking and running trails, serene lakes, and lush preserves. Experience the ultimate in luxurious living in the heart of Naples, Florida. For more information, review the details below or contact Team Platinum of Naples less than bedroom greater than Cynthia 12 and Brent Jensen at 239-784-9229.